Imagine hearing your favorite sound every time you log in. It's a great way to make Windows 11 feel more personal. In this video, we use a quick and easy method that actually works to make that happen. Let's get started and bring some personality to your Logon. Hey everyone, welcome back to the CNATT channel. In this tutorial, we'll use Task Scheduler, a built-in tool in Windows to trigger the login sound. The sound file used in this tutorial must be in WAV format. If you have an MP3 file, we recommend converting it to WAV with a reliable online converter. CloudConvert.com is a free, secure, and user-friendly option. To help you understand better, we'll enable file extensions. Now let's get started with the actual steps. Step 1. Create the VBScript that will play your sound. Open File Explorer. Create a folder named Media on the C drive. This folder will hold the WAV file you want to play. Open the Start menu, type Notepad and run it. Paste the following code. The same code is listed in the description below. Save the file as LogonSound.vbs in the C Media folder. Take your chosen sound file. Make sure it's in plain WAV format. Rename it to LogonSound.wav and copy it into C Media. At this point, both LogonSound.vbs and LogonSound.wav should be located in the C Media folder. Double-click the VBS file you've created and ensure that it plays your sound file. If the sound does not play, check the steps again. Now we need to create a task in the Task Scheduler to play this sound. Step 2. Set the Logon sound in Windows 11 using the Task Scheduler. Once you've verified the script works, you'll create a Task Scheduler task that runs the script at Logon. Open the Start menu, type Task Scheduler, and select the Task Scheduler app from the search results. Right-click on Task Scheduler Local and select Create Task. In the Create Task dialog, go to the General tab and enter a descriptive name in the name field, for example, Play Logon Sound. Then, in the Configure for drop-down, choose Windows 10. Now, switch to the Triggers tab and click the New button. In the Begin the Task drop-down list, select Add Logon. Here you can choose whether the task runs for a specific user or for any user. Click OK. Now go to the Actions tab and click the New button. In the Action list, select Start a Program. This is the default. In the Program Script field, click the Browse button and choose VBScript.exe from the C Windows System32 folder, or simply type VBScript.exe. Copy and paste the full path to your VBScript file into the Add Arguments optional field, then click OK. Next, go to the Conditions tab and uncheck the Start the task only if the computer is on AC power option. Then click OK to create the task. You can view the newly created task in the Task Scheduler library and run it manually. When you sign out and sign back in again, or when you restart Windows, the Logon sound will play. Change or disable the Logon sound. To modify the Logon sound you set up in the previous steps, rename your chosen WAV file to LogonSound.wav and replace the existing file in the C Media folder. Disable the Logon sound. To stop the Logon sound you created in the previous steps, open the Start menu, type Task Scheduler in the search box, and click the app that appears. In the Task Scheduler window, click Task Scheduler library in the left pane and locate the plain Logon Sound task. Right-click the task and choose Disable. When you want the sound back, right-click the task again and select Enable. Startup versus login sound conflict. When the default Windows startup sound is enabled, the computer plays both the startup and login sounds simultaneously whenever it restarts or powers on. The two tones overlap, producing a garbled sound. You can avoid this clash in two ways. 1. Disable the default Windows startup sound. 2. Delay the login sound. To disable the default Windows startup sound, open the Start menu, type Change System Sounds, and select it from the search results. In the Sound dialog, uncheck Play Windows Startup Sound. Click Apply, then OK. If you want to keep the default Windows Startup Sound enabled, you can delay the login sound. Open Task Scheduler and locate the task that starts your login sound. Double-click the task. In the Triggers tab, double-click the trigger that runs the task. In Advanced Settings, check Delay Task 4. Enter 5 or 10 seconds, then click OK. Click OK again to save the changes. Either method will stop startup and login sounds from overlapping. And that's how you can easily set a custom Logon sound in Windows 11 using Task Scheduler. If this video helped you all, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the CNATT channel, and hit the bell so you don't never miss future Windows tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.